Video 677, Bombs for Josh, part 27. We're going to make some ARTGIRL edits. The source code is here. We're going to review the 677 deltas because that's the video we're on. So let's go down here. So in the ARTGIRL shader strings within shader source fragment number 8, which is the Bombs for Josh shader, we are now injecting the Alto tiles lookup table right here, okay? So in order to inject that, our preprocessor in the ARTGIRL system section needs to recognize that. So this is shader source raw converted to shader source preprocess. So shader source fragment raw to shader source fragment preprocess. The input is, right, I for input, shader source fragment raw. This input is the raw shader, and we're going to pre-process it, and we're going to look for those injection site tokens. We're going to set up the new injection site token. So in the lookup table of lookup tables, we're going to add the Alto tile lookup table right here. Then in the lookup table of names, we're going to add the identifier that we're going to reference this data as in the GPU. This is the GPU side identifier for the data. So V16 converted to U81, a U81 graphic representing an Alto tile. U81s are compressed 9x9 bitmaps. The lookup table of tokens down here is our injection site token for that new lookup table, the V16 to U81 Alto. We're going to increase the max index to 31 because we've added one more lookup table in our paired array. And then here's what we did previously. We got our footnotes and stuff. Like and subscribe, send money in the mail. My name is Kanji Coder. If you want a longer explanation, you can go here. You are here. Technical demos are down here. Source code's here. Ways of getting a hold of me. Like and subscribe. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm making a fully destructible fractal geometry bomb game. It uses proximity mines on timers. When the timers expire after you walk past them, they explode and they chain react. So it's kind of like Bomberman, but very different. Like and subscribe.